In March, I'm going to be conducting a bootcamp for European members of my site. European members, their time difference makes it difficult for them to attend a regular bootcamp. So some of the people who are non-members, they always request me, let us know when you're going to do a bootcamp, and they want to attend. So in case one of you is interested, I'm just going to walk you through what really going to happen in that bootcamp. So this European member bootcamp is something which I did last year, where I did it early in the morning. So European members bootcamp starts at 6 a.m. Eastern time. I'm based in New Jersey. So Eastern time will be like in Europe, it will be around 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock, depending on where you are based. So 6 o'clock to 2 p.m. And this will be in March. So you can see the details here. So European bootcamps, March 26th to 27th. 6 a.m. to 2 p.m. Eastern time. There will be break in between. So it will be series of sessions, but it's a 2 days boot camp. If you're a non-member, the price is $600. If you're a member, the price is $450. The topics which are covered will be structure of market. What are the structures of market which you need to understand in order to become a profitable trader? Then how do you exploit these structures of market to make money? So I spend time explaining how you can convert a structure of a market into a setup. Then swing trading using momentum burst, which is my major method which I use for making money. In this particular topic, I'll be covering what is a momentum burst, how to scan for it, how to enter, how to exit, where to put a stop, what kind of profitability, how many number of trades you can do, and what are the guidelines for finding the best setup, how do you improve your win percentage, and how you can organize yourself to profit from this particular setup. Similarly, swing trading using anticipation. Some of the momentum burst can be anticipated. So how can you profit by anticipating a momentum burst? What are the scans? What is the process? How do you find the trade? When do you enter? How do you enter it next day, kind of a thing. Swing trading using anticipation plus. Many people who are like in European time zone may not be able to do anticipation during the market close hours. It becomes quite late for some of them, so they want to enter the next day. So how can you do the work in the night, find setups, or create a watch list, and next day try and enter them? So that's anticipation plus method. Then episodic pivots, which is basically a stock which had a big news or a earnings catalyst or a news catalyst. These are the stocks which go on to make 100, 200, 300, 800, 900, sometimes 1200% moves. So how do you find those? What are the information sources? How do you identify episodic pivot? How do you enter it? What kind of stop strategy works? What kind of profit you should be looking at? And what are the different types of episodic pivots which you can trade? And what are the nuances of studying trading different kinds of episodic pivot? Swing trading as a working person. If you're a working person, if you're a full-time trader, your issues are different from a person who is a working person. So how you can change the rules or how you can adapt this for working people. Then I would cover a little bit of day trading. For those of you who are interested, there are certain day trading setups which I trade, which can supplement your swing trading. Then situational awareness, which is a very important skill. Situational awareness determines how aggressively you're going to trade, what kind of setups are going to work, what kind of setups are not going to work. And psychology and self-leadership, that's the one of the topic which I'll be covering. So if in case any one of you are interested, the details will be posted on my blog, free blog. So look for the details of this, which will be posted which will be available on the free blog, or also if you look at the comment below or the description below of this video, I'll provide a link for those of you who are interested in signing up.